So today I was scrolling through my subscriptions and I saw well, NikkieTutorials uploaded a really cool video. It's called Google Picks My Makeup, and I watched the video and I was obsessed. So Nikkie said that the rules were pretty simple. All you need to do is go on Google and search for your first letter of your first name, the first letter of your last name, and then put look. I don't know what's gonna come up if I look for my name, but I'm really excited. I'm really scared because I am not a makeup artist. I know how to do my daily makeup, but I've never really tried anything with like weird colors. So it's gonna be a challenge, but I'm gonna see if I can do it. If you're new to my channel, then you should totally subscribe down below. That would mean so much to me. And without further ado, let's just get started. So I switched to an easier lens to work with while filming makeup videos because I can actually zoom in with this one. So I have my phone right here. I'm gonna see what comes up if I search for FD look. So the first picture that pops up when I put in my initials plus look is this picture of a car, a red car with gold letters on it in blue water. I did already do my face makeup plus my eyebrows. As you can see, those are not natural. But I haven't put on highlighter or blush yet, or eye makeup or lips. So that's what we're gonna do with these colors. So I'm just starting off with like, I don't know, this nude color, just to make everything more blendable, if that makes sense. I think I'm gonna go with burgundy in the crease and blue underneath my eye. Oh my god, this is so hard, but I'm really excited. I'm gonna be using the shade Love Letter for the red because I don't have like a, wait, I do actually have, no, that is brownish. I don't know. I feel like this one is better. This is more red. Yeah, I'm gonna go with Love Letter. It's better. So I'm just gonna put this in my crease. Oh my god, I'm already messing this up. I haven't even started yet. Got it. This is actually a really pretty color if you blend it out. I know it's not really red, but I don't have red. And this is like the darkest like pink I have. So yeah, this will do. I actually really like this. And now I need something with white and gold. This is actually a pretty gold shimmer. Should I do a cut crease, honestly? No, I'm not gonna do that. I know I'll mess it up. I'm gonna use the shade Tempera, which is a really light, like almost white shade. I'm gonna put that on my lid. Okay. We need to blend that as well. Honestly, I feel like blending makes everything better. Okay, that will do. I'm gonna zoom that in a little bit. It's too far away. So this is what I have right now. I think I'm gonna deepen up my crease a little bit more. I'm gonna take a red ochre right now to deepen up the crease, which is also a reddish color. Oh, this is really scary. Why am I taking this brush? I'm gonna use another brush. God, this is such a dark color. This is way too intense. I didn't think the color was gonna be that dark. I was doing a decent job until I put this freaking shade on. For shimmer, I'm also gonna use the same palette. I'm gonna use the shade Primavera, which is a kind of gold shade because of the letters on the card. I'm gonna put that on my lid. Oh, it is right here. So for the blue in the picture, I'm gonna use, it's not Morphe. The palette is just Morphe. The eyeshadow is a single eyeshadow from Makeup Geek and it's called Neptune and it's really cool and I've never used it and I've had it for the longest time but I just don't know what to do with it. Oh, this is really scary. This is really blue. I look like my mascara is all over the place. It was looking good until now. Why does it look so good when like makeup artists use blue under their eyes? I just look like I'm freaking crying. What on earth am I doing? I don't know. I just know I need my blending brush to fix this. We have the red, we have the blue, we have the gold. But I'm not done yet. Ooh. That's better. I am gonna stop with the eyeshadow though because I feel like I'm gonna really mess it up if I continue. It looks decent right now. Blue under my eyes, red in my crease, and gold on my lid. Okay. I can't even see if I'm focused or not. My god, what did I just do? Every time I touch it, I screw it up and have to fix it again. And I'm gonna put on some eyeliner, fake lashes, and see if it looks decent. Like a bunch of new makeup that I haven't tried yet. I'm gonna make a wing. I hope I don't freak it up. Oh god, no. No. Why today? Actually, it does not look that bad. They're just really different wings, but that's okay. I've never tried this mascara. It's the Pupa Divas Lashes Mascara Maxi Volume, which looks really cool. I'm gonna try it out. I hope I like it. Ooh, I like that. So I'm just gonna put on some felt lashes. Like, I feel like fake lashes make everything look good. Like, you can be a little ugly, put on fake lashes, and you will look really good. Because I'm like a little ugly. No. Are you kidding me right now? So for blush, I'm gonna use the blush in the Sweet Peach Too Faced kit. For highlight, I'm gonna use a blue highlight. It's called... I was gonna say Oreo. It's not called Oreo, it's called Orion. It's almost an Oreo though. It's a really pretty blue highlight. That is really pretty. Okay, so I think everything is done except for lips. Red lips. Probably should go with red lips though because the color is like really red. I'm gonna use the shade Kristen by Kylie Cosmetics. Let's zoom in on my luscious lips, which are not so luscious. So this is the finished look. I actually am proud of myself. I didn't think I was gonna create a look that I would actually put on when I like go out or something. I have the blue under my eye, the red on my eye, the red on my lips, blue highlight. I actually like it. If you like it too, then you should totally give this video a thumbs up. That would mean literally the world to me because that way I know that you like my videos. Also, like I said before, subscribe because we're really close to 7,000 subscribers, which I want to hit so bad. Also, full credits of this video go to NikkieTutorials. Honestly, the idea of this challenge is so original. I love it. So I will link her video down below, although you have probably already seen it. And yeah, I guess that is everything for today. I love you guys so much, and I will see you on Sunday. Bye!